Hello, good afternoon. I'm just done with my flowers downstairs, and it was really a good sunny morning, and this time just a few hours ito na, oh, may kulog, may lightning there. Yan kadali or ka-changeable ang weather ngayon dito sa Hong Kong. Kaninang umaga, nagdilig pa ako ng mga bulaklak. Tapos ngayon, ang ano na, ganyan nyo din yung thunderstorm ng bulog. Yung raindrops. Ang lakas naman talaga ng biglang ulan. Swimming pool. Pero wala pa rin. Ang Hong Kong, right after the sunny morning, bigla na ng umulan ngayon, hapon, just after lunch. Okay, weather is really very changeable. Sana tayo rin hindi. So thank you, just to share to you, and you see yung thunderstorm na naririnig nyo. Ayan. So thank you. Bye for now. Lunch muna tayo. Okay, bye bye. God bless. Oh, don't let the rain come down. Anyway, just to wash away the dirt on the earth. Bye. Thanks for listening, and thanks for viewing. Bye bye. God bless. Uy, naku, ang lakas ng hangin.